Hi guys, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about this mock dress that I made for me and my friends to celebrate our 7 years of friendship. To make this dress, I used around 1 meter of loose linen fabric. The first step, I fold the fabric in half and measure the width of the dress I want. It's 53 centimeters, which is 1.5 times a half of your bust size. So the total width of the dress will be 106 centimeters. Make sure it has to be bigger than your hip size to create the bust fit for the dress. Next step, I measure the length of the dress I want. It's 75 centimeters, which is the length from your breast to over your knee or where you want it to be. So in the end, I'll have a rectangle with 106 centimeter width and 75 centimeter length. Then cutting by the drawing line. After that, at the width of the rectangle, I fold the edge double time to hide the cutting. Fold it with as small as you could, then sewing. From the top, I go down 2 centimeters and draw a horizontal line. Then from that line, I go down 20 centimeters, which is the width of your breast, and draw another horizontal line. Between two lines, I'm drawing other lines 1 centimeter away from each other. They will be the lines to make the shirring for the dress. I use the elastic thread at the under thread and sew with normal straight stitching to create a shirring. Now I'm making the button area for the dress. I'm drawing 2 rectangles with 5 cm width and 75 cm length, which is the length of the dress. After that, I connect one end of each rectangle together. Then, using the iron to make the folding at two ends of the long rectangle. I connect each side of the rectangle to one side of the dress, from the top to the end. Use the pins to hold them together, then sewing. Next step, I finish the end of the dress by folding the end double time, similar to what I did to the top before, and sewing. Now, I'm making the ties for the dress. I'm drawing 4 rectangles with 3 cm width and around 55 cm length. After cutting, folding them in half and sewing. I use a small safety pin to upside them later. The last step is fixing the ties to the top of the dress. You can wear the dress on to check the position for the ties and mark them first, then sewing. To make the dress look nicer, I installed the button at the button area. I used the wooden buttons to give it the vintage vibe. And I finished this DIY. Here's my result. This dress is very easy to make and you don't use a lot of fabric. But it turns out so cute and perfect for summer. My friends and I have a great time filming with it. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos coming up. See you next week.